sort céim nádartha I n-osclófar na Seolta an chéad céim eile leis an scoil turas in ar Bhéal Feirste agus bhí an daine ag fólam na Gaeilge sin agus bhí rang Charliam agus bhí siad le go teach ag an rang Charlie agus an sin dúirt siad well bhailam sa Gaeilge do muid páiste agus go banaach sin mar thosaí an rud amach. Tá lutharainn mar fuairmid maoiniú uair na Gaeilge fuairmid 73 míle punt nes céilíonn sin go mé jabal de beirt fhostú daine bhain mar stúrthóir na háite agus daine eile is tí mar ag obair lofa agus ag taú lofa in sa seomra agus bé solachar an de sé páiste déag mar sin de tuid chósáasta agus lutharainn go bhfuil sin cadíanais. Sílim nuair tá páiste ag fólam le chéile tá níos lú naimhte san ma higann siad a chéile agus má tá eolas acu ar éithreacht agus ar chultúr chéile. Ní féidir lá bheith trid mar sin mar tá tuiscin seacu ar chéile agus sin gur sin an rud atá díthrainn an seo an sa saithí seo go méid cómhheasan agus cóhiiscin ar chéile.
So my husband and I, we grew up in mainly what you describe as a Protestant background. Not that we really like those kind of labels and things like that there, but because we came from a very predominantly Protestant background and I suppose the opportunities then that were available to us as a child, we never got that possibility to learn Irish or be even exposed really much to it. So it's as we've got older and we have met people who do speak Irish and who grew up speaking Irish that we really feel it's something that not only do we want to learn it, but we want our little girl to learn it as well. So I think one of the ways that we can dispel the notion that Irish language is only for one side of the community is certainly through integrated education. I was a youth worker for 10 years and I saw that the children who came into my youth centre or the youth centre I worked in, that the ones who went to integrated education were a lot more open to other communities and other backgrounds and much more open to seeing Northern Ireland as for everybody rather than maybe only for their community.